In today's video, I'll teach you how to put pink filter on photos. So if you want to add pink filter on photos, there are various photo editor application that allows you to do so. You can simply download any of those. You can download the applications like Canva, PixArt, Photoshop, etc. Here I have this application called Prequel AI Filter Photo Editor. You can also download this application as well. So what you have to do is open the application. If you also install this application initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So tap on the plus icon that you can see at bottom. Now what you have to do is simply select the photo in which you would like to apply the pink filter. After you do that, that particular photo will be selected. Now in this application, you'll be able to find whole bunch of filters. What you can do is tap on the filters option that you can see at bottom. After you do that, tap on the search icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now what you have to do is search for pink over here. You'll be able to see various results. You'll be able to see various pink filters over here. Find the filter that you like the best. After you do that, simply tap on that particular filter. Now you can see over here the pink filter will be applied. You can simply tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, the photo will be saved. So like this, you'll be able to apply the pink filter. So that is how you put pink filter on photos. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.